Assalamu alaikum, peace be upon you. Welcome to Let's Solve. In this channel, you'll get the solution of various problem of math and physics. So today we are going to solve a exercise of NCERT class 10. It's the first exercise of chapter polynomial. So let's start. The first question: the graphs of y equals px are given in the figure below. For some polynomial px, find the number of zeros of px in each case. So here graph of polynomial is given. We have to find for each graph how many zeros are there. Okay. So what is the zero of polynomial? Suppose px is a polynomial. So for what value of x, the px will be 0. That x will be 0 of the polynomial. Okay. Suppose x minus 1 is a polynomial. If we put x equals to 1 here, it will give 0. Okay. So this one will be 0 of this polynomial. So how to find the polynomial for the graph if graph is given? Okay, so we just know that for x, for what value of x, graph will be y will be 0. That means p polynomial will be 0. Polynomial will be 0 means it will not go up and down. Okay, so just we have to check the graph where how many times cut the x-axis. Okay, that will be number of 0 of the polynomial. Just we have to check how many times the graph cut the x-axis, y crossing the x-axis, y touching the x-axis. That will be number of 0 of the polynomial. So here the graph is here. We can see here the graph does not touch the x-axis or crossing the x-axis. Okay, so here number of 0 will be 0 only. Okay, there is no 0. In the second graph you can see here one time it's crossing the x-axis. Okay, it cuts the x-axis one time. So here number of 0 will be 1. Clear? Now going to the next question. Here you can see the graph, it cross one time x-axis here also, here also, and here also. So here 3 time crossing the x-axis. That means number of 0 will be 3. Don't count the crossing the y-axis. Okay, here the graph cuts the y-axis also, don't count it. Okay, just we have to check only for x-axis. Clear? So why it's happening the 0? Why it's happening the 0? Because here you can see polynomial y equals to px is the polynomial. So y equals to 0, that means graph will not go up and down. Okay, suppose for this case, if you go left side, left some value x and y will be some value. Okay, but y should be 0. Y should be 0 means it will be on x-axis only. That means it cuts the x-axis only for the 0 of polynomial. Clear? So here number of 0 will be 3. Now coming to the next graph. So here you can see here one time it's crossed the x-axis, second time also cross. So here number of 0 will be 2. Clear? Now coming to next question. Here one time, here one time, here one time, here one time. So the graph cuts the x-axis 4 times. So number of 0 will be 4. Clear? Now the last question. Here one time you can see here just touch one time. Touch one time means here 2 0. Okay, so we have to count 1 only. So here also 1 times. Okay, so here number of 0 will be 3. So we have solved this exercise. I hope you have understood. Thank you for watching.